Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel, and in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys an exclusive tutorial on a new money making online method in 2025, and this making money online method is called Whop Clipping. And in today's video I'm going to show you guys all you need to understand in getting started and a step-by-step guide for you to properly enjoy and optimize this method. And in case you're just sharing about Whop is actually a digital site where you can sell a whole lot of things ranging from trading bots to social media tools and lots more. And then join us back to what exactly Whop Clipping is about. Whop Clipping simply involves you creating unique video clips about people, brands, or even celebrities, and then you get paid certain amount of dollars for whatever views you get on these clips. So yeah, in case you're still confused, it's all good. We're going to be diving right now into the practical aspects on how to get started. So yeah, stay tuned. Now, the very first thing you want to do is to head to your browser. All right, once you head to your web browser, as you guys can see on my screen right now, you want to type in whop.com. So you want to type in whop.com and then enter. All right. So now once you type in whop.com, as you guys can see on the screen, the next thing you want to do is to simply sign up. All right. So you want to click on sign up over here. And now once you click on sign up, you can simply insert your email here, or you can continue with the below social media options to make it faster. All right, for the sake of today's video, I'm just going to continue with my Google account so as to enable our details to be filled in very fast. So you just want to continue with the exact account and then continue. So Google is actually going to provide all the info for Whop. And now the next thing you want to do over here is to simply verify with the 6-digit pin. So you can simply open a new web browser and then go to Gmail. All right, and then once you go to Gmail, you're gonna see it as the first option. All right, so let's just wait for this to load. As you guys can see over here, we have it here. This is the first option, so 341922. So you want to go back here and then insert 341922. Good. So as you guys can see, what exactly is your name? You want to insert your name, so I'm just gonna put KidCast YT. All right, and then next. So you want to click on next, and over here we have the pick a username you like. You can change this later, so I can still make this username our normal name, so KidCast YTT. All right, and then next. All right, so now the next thing over here is just to set up your profile picture. Do you want to upload an image, or do you just want to select from Whop avatars over here? So I'm gonna select from Whop avatars. Let's go for this one. I think this one is fine. And then save. Good. And I want to click on save. Now the next thing over here, as you guys can see, join your first Whop. When you join a Whop, you see its experiences in your home feed. Now over here we have several ideas, several community of Whop that you can actually join. So the main idea, like I said earlier on, is we want to focus on Whop Clipping. All right, so let's just select any random one for now. Let's select any random one for now. Let's say we want to go for Ambro Clips. So you want to click on join, and then once you click on join, just click on next. All right, just follow all the steps I am doing right now. So now once you click on next, now this is the main part. Once you click on next, what you want to do next, so as to make the tutorial very explanatory for you all, just come here to the left hand side where you have the left over here, and then you want to come here to discover. So you want to click on discover. Now once you click on discover, this is where it all starts. Now when you click on discover, you want to scroll down here. Here you have live streams. We don't have any business with live streams. All right, you want to scroll down to where you have content rewards. So you want to scroll down to where you have content rewards. Get paid for creating content. So like I said earlier on, the main idea for this Whop Clipping is we have several people, brands, celebrities that are willing to pay you certain amount of money for creating unique videos about their lifestyle or about their brand or about their business, whatever it might be. It's just like then in the past, a whole lot of people goes to TikTok and then just uploads, videos about celebrities and the rest, like Ronaldo, Messi, and the rest. So now, rather than you just uploading it this time, you're actually getting paid. You're having an agreement directly with them, and then they pay you a certain amount of money for whatever views you get on those clips. And you're not even showing yourself. All you have to do is just repost, make something unique based on their lifestyle, based on their videos. So for example, you can see we have several options over here. You can come here to show all. If you click on show all, you're going to see several options, several people that are ready to pay you to actually do this for them. Now if you come here at the top right, you have highest paying available budgets. You can filter this out, most paid out, highest CPM, and the rest, but I think this is actually fine. So now if you guys can see, the first one here is Goalie Nutrition, unlimited budget, facelet content, $1.5 per thousand views. That is, this person would actually pay you $1.5 for every 1,000 views. And now you have to upload the video on Instagram. As you guys can see, Instagram. And now this UGC, as you guys can see, we have type UGC, we have type clipping over here. Now the difference between this UGC is, for this one you are creating a video for the brand, more like you're advertising for the brand. You want to create a video that's talking about Goalie Nutrition. Now the other one called clipping is you're actually focused on a particular person this time. That is the person or the business or the individual or the celebrity. You're creating a video that shows 75% or shows 100% of that celebrity. So that's the difference between UGC and then clipping. All right. Now, as you guys can see, we have several options over here, several options. So let's just say we want to go for Ambro clips, for example. Ambro clips. So what you want to do next is to click on it. So already we joined from the start, so that's why you can see open hoop. If it's not going to be from the start, you're just going to see join. All right. So now let's just click on open hoop. All right, so now once you click on open hoop, whatever option you're okay with, whatever person, UGC or clipping you're okay with, once you click on it, all right, there's some of them that you have to join a wait list. They will need to look at your information, what you filled, and then from there, if they're okay with you, they would actually give you the option to join the list. While some of them are actually free, just like this one, once you click on join, you join automatically. Now, as you guys can see here, all right, as you guys can see on my screen right now, we have 84 members of Ambro Clips online. All right, if you scroll down, you can see some chats, you can see people talking about the video they've done and the rest. But now what you want to do next to finally start making money, all right, you want to come here to where you have the content rewards. As you guys can see, content rewards. If you click on this area, once you click on this area, you're going to see the requirements. You're going to see what you need to do in order to start making the money. So far so good. He has $29,925.91 to be paid out, and so far so good. He has been able to pay about $7,000. All right, now we have about 376 days left, and over here the requirement, the video must be at least 10 seconds long. So the video must be at least 10 seconds long, which is not even that serious. And then the videos cannot be stolen from other clippers. Okay, you have to create something unique. You have to create something unique. Then clips can't make Ambro look bad, be damaging to his brand. You need to create something that is actually very healthy for his brand. And then views, engagement can't be botted in any way. You must not buy views and all the rest. The video should feature Ambro at least 75% of the time. 60% of the viewers on your page should be from Tier 1 countries. That is USA, UK, Canada, and then quality is our top priority. So as you guys can see, these are the requirements for Ambro's clip for you to start making about $3 per 1,000 views. And then if you scroll down, you can see Ambro has actually dropped assets for you. He has dropped his Instagram handle over here, so you can look at his videos. Anyone you're okay with, you can pick it, download it, and create a unique video for him. As you guys can see, this is his Instagram. If you go back here again, you can see he has videos, pictures uploaded on his drive. The main idea here is to give you as many assets as you can have for you to create a unique video about Ambro. All right, so now once you've been able to think about the idea or think about the video you want to create, and you've been able to create it, the next thing for you to do is to post it. As you guys can see, the platform you post it on either Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube. All right, once you paste it or once you post it, you want to come here to submit. All right, you come here to submit. As you guys can see over here, submit your post for review within 1 hour of publishing to start getting paid. All right, so within 1 hour after you published, you want to come here to submit. Once you come here to submit, you can scroll down. And now once you scroll down, you can see the area where you're going to paste the link, depending on whatever social media you decided to post it on. If it's Instagram, you paste the link, you copy it on Instagram, and then you come here to paste it. If it's YouTube, you also want to do the same thing as well as TikTok. And now once you've pasted the link, the final thing you want to do here is to upload the video. All right, you want to upload the video itself. All right, you want to upload the video itself. Click on upload and then upload it. And once you're done, you want to submit the video. All right, you want to finally click on submit, and once you click on submit, all you have to do is to wait for just few. As you guys can see, just wait for about 1 hour after publishing, and once Ambro is okay with the video, you're gonna get paid. All right, by the time you start getting views, and when you reach 1,000 views, you'll be earning about $3. All right, and that's basically how it works. Let's go back to the discovery page. Okay, if I come here to discover, let's look at several other options so you guys can understand. We're not dealing with live streams. All you just have to do is to scroll down here to content rewards. All right, if you scroll down here, you can see breast clips, for example. Let's say we want to go for breast clips. It pays $2 for every 1,000 views. Once you click on this, you can see it's free. All right, you can see once you see join, that means it's free. There's some other options that once you click on it, it's always a wait list. For example, let's click on this one. As you guys can see, it's a wait list. They need to review your information before they give you a go ahead. All right, so if I click on join wait list, okay, you can see you have to answer certain amount of questions before they can give you the opportunity to join the theme. And then we have other ones that are free, just like I showed you guys earlier. And that's basically how it works. Okay, let's just go for breast clips again. For example, let's say you want to do for breast. Once you click on breast, you want to click on join. And then once you click on join, you just want to agree to all terms and conditions. All right, and we're good. Automatically they'll always send you an email. Once you join, they'll always send you an email. As you guys can see, they always send you an email. Okay, there's Ambro clips and the rest. So let's go back here again. So as you guys can see, we're here for breast clips. You can see these are the areas where a whole lot of members do chat. You can see it's real time. You can see, guys, these are people that are also among the team that are chatting real time. This is actually very, very lively. As you guys can see, this is very, very lively. But then if you just want to focus on the main making money aspect, just click on this over here. Scroll down again to the bottom. Look at the requirements. Clips can't make breasts look bad. The video must be 15 seconds minimum. You must add breast skills on the page to the corresponding platform and the free link training link in bio. Okay, so you must tag him, okay, on the page, and then you must also add the free training link in the bio. Okay, so these are the assets. You just want to click on it and then look for videos that would suit what you have in mind to create for breast. And that's basically how this works. So guys, there you have it. This is basically how Whop Clipping works. This is actually something you want to jump into right now because it's actually trending and it's a new making money online method. This is not something you want to dull on. This is not something you want to be sleeping on right now. You need to jump on this right now. So there you have it, guys. Thanks for watching. I want to believe you all learned a whole lot. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't subscribed. Drop a like on the video, and also feel free to share this video with your friends and family members. And I'll see you guys in my next highly informative video.